This is my Phenomenal Woman journal, and it measures 6.5 by 9. It has a rounded spine with some little cheesecloth peeking out from the spine. It has a hitch post and lace closure. I have covered the spine with lace, and this is the back. It's been glimmer misted. And the front, it says, "She dances to the songs in her head. She speaks with the rhythm of her heart and loves from the depths of her soul." This journal features a piece of prose from Maya Angelou called Phenomenal Woman. Phenomenal Woman, Maya Angelou, has a lot of these little pages that I just love these pages. A lot of journaling space. They look like envelopes. Lots of tuck spaces. And pretty woman, wonder where my secret lies. I'm not cute or built to fit a fashion model size. I've done a lot of fussy cutting of my little ladies. I enjoy doing that. Lots and lots of room for journaling here. And another one of those little journal pages. And again, another little fussy cut gal. And lots of journaling cards. Lots of tags, tabs. And in the center I have some dangles, and these dangles are little mini tags. But when I start to tell them, they think I'm telling lies. I love the attitude of this little fussy cut gal. And another little tuck spot with a journaling card. I've used some laces in this journal, a lot of fussy cutting. I love to fussy cut. And a lot of vintage pictures. It has a very vintage feel. I've done some coffee staining and tea staining, and I've created some envelopes for the journal. I love, love, love these little ladies. I say it's in the reach of my arms, the span of my hips, and look at this little gal. Isn't she just so personifies that. Put a little bit of interest on the pages. This is a nice little Victorian corner. The stride of my step, the curl of my lips. Another journaling card. More room for journaling. I'm a woman, phenomenal woman. That's me. More room for journaling, more fussy cut ladies, a flourish. I walk into a room just as cool as you please. And to a man, the fellows stand up or fall down on their knees. And another couple of dangles. And I've put a little corrugated piece on this card for interest. I just love the way that turned out. And this is a faux library card. That's a little journaling card. Aren't these gals just full of attitude? I just love them. They swarm around me like a hive of honeybees. Little 20s gal there. And another journaling card. And a little tuck spot. And another little lace interest there. I say it's in the fire in my eyes and the flash of my teeth. And again, more fussy cut little ladies. Little journaling card there. Elementary applied chemistry report of chemical analysis. The swing in my waist and the joy in my feet. Look at that. Isn't that just so cute? I love that fussy cut. More room for journaling, more fussy cuts. I'm a woman, phenomenally. And here's a tag. Phenomenal woman, that's me. And I have lots of these in there. These are the pages that you can journal on, and they look like envelopes. Music sheet, and another one of those cards that I put some corrugated solid color designer paper. And I used a lot of these little Victorian elements, fussy cut. More fussy cuts. Little corner. This is a recipe book. I've coffee dyed that recipe book page. An envelope. This has a nice vintage feel, but I think it's a strong album. Another one of those little men themselves have wondered what they see in me. A little journaling card, a little thesaurus page, another little tuck, a little flourish, some of those dangles. I love these ladies. I put all the ladies with attitude I could in this book. They try so much, but they can't touch my inner mystery. And another journaling card, a page with lace, fabric tabs, and another, this is a recipe page again. Another, this has a little bit of lace on it, a little bit of a corner tuck with some lace, and a little bit of a gal with attitude. When I try to show them, a little banner for a tuck there. They say they still can't see. I say it's in the arch of my back. This is another card with the corrugated interest on it, and these are my little faux clocks that I think they turned out really neat. Let's see if I have a couple of those in this book. The sun in my smile. I say it's in the arch of my back. The sun in my smile. The ride of my breasts, the grace of my style. And more of those little dangles. And journaling cards. And these are functional, all these envelopes are functional envelopes that are in here. I'm a woman, phenomenally. Little corner tuck. Journaling card, more lace. Phenomenal woman, that's me. Now you understand. Look at these gals. Another envelope. Little coarse gals. This is a belly band with an envelope. More lace. Little doily. Just why my head's not bowed. Little fussy cut gal there. Another fussy cut. Lots of fussy cut gals. These little Victorian corners. Fussy cut flowers. I don't shout or jump about. Or have to talk real loud. More fussy cut gals. This is a journaling card under that little corner tuck. When you see me passing, I ought to make you proud. There's another one of those little clock faces. I say it's in the click of my heels. More fussy cut gals. The bend of my hair. The need for my care. This is a little envelope. and a journaling card. Another functional envelope. And it's more of the dangles. Another one of those cards that I put some of the corrugated paper on. And another journaling card. Those corner tucks with a functional envelope. Because I'm a woman phenomenally. Look at this gal. Attitude, yes indeed. Phenomenal woman, that's me. When I started this album, I thought it was not going to be very big, but it turned out to be 156 pages, and this album just developed so much wonderful personality as I was making it, and I hope this journal finds a forever home, and someone else can appreciate journaling in it as much as I appreciated making it. Thank you for watching.